Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the sleep timer in the Musi application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three dots at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the sleep timer button. And here just set the time that you want to use. And as you can see, it is set and it started, and you can pause it and you can also reset it anytime. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.